do this with an example. So let's take a young woman who wants to build gym confidence. And so she goes to YouTube and she looks up how to do bench press and she picks some random video and she sees a guy doing bench press in a wiggly way. So she goes to the gym and she confidently decides she's going to do that, do the wiggly bench press. She'd probably attract a lot of strange looks, which would erode her confidence. Now, let's say the same girl goes to her lifting friend and gets some better instruction on how to do bench press, and she goes to the gym and it's improved. She doesn't have a wiggly line. She looks pretty normal doing it. That might help to start build her confidence, especially after she had like strange looks coming her way. She could even build it further if she had a really great bench press and people were kind of looking at her to learn how to bench press. So maybe she went and saw a personal trainer and got some very specific cues that apply to her. And now her bench press is like heavier and it looks really good. Now she has a really good chance of building gym confidence because she can go to the gym and people may notice that she's doing it really well and that her weights are kind of impressive. She would take in that feedback and feel really good about herself, and that confidence would just continue to grow.